Gina Nash here with Jessica Henry from the Allen County SPCA and our friend Kelda, who looks really a lot like my new best friend Chihuahua.
You got yourself a little dog.
I got myself a little dog.
Congratulations.
Well, all this like hanging out with you every week, I felt like, I could do this.
It was about time, yes. So this is little Kelda. She's a 3-year-old Chihuahua mix. She only weighs 4 pounds. So she's like a pocket dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's so sweet. Obviously, a dog this size is very fragile. So you want to be very careful about the way you're handling her. This is, advice to you with your new little dog. But they're very tiny. Their bones are tiny. She's a fragile little thing. She could probably stand to gain just a tiny little bit of weight, but she is 100% loved.
Oh, so cute. Where did she come from?
She was an owner surrender to us. About a third of the animals come to us from owner surrenders, people who for one reason or another are no longer able to commit to that animal or care for that animal. So she was one of those. We know that she was loved, but we're looking forward to finding her the forever home that she deserves.
Now, is she Chihuahua? I've never seen a brown one like this
Yes,
before.
absolutely. She's 100% Chihuahua. They come in brown and black and then mixtures of the two, but she's a little Chihuahua.
It's hard not to just kiss them all the time,
Yes,
isn't it?
it
Oh
is.
my gosh.
So I don't even fight it. I just do it.
Well, I think you're awfully cute, Kelda. If you're interested in taking Kelda home or getting more information, we are sponsored by Hope for Animals. You can get more details online at 951bestfm.com or find us on Facebook.